Brain Chat offers fast, accurate answers, easy access to data, saves time, improves decision making, and supports seamless communication.
Great. And when you're trying to explain to potential clients why this system might advantage them, what advice would you have to give me to communicate that most effectively? Keep your answer quite short.
Sure. Focus on these key points. Brain Chat saves time with quick, accurate answers, improves decision making with real time data, is easy to use, and boosts productivity by automating info retrieval. To communicate effectively, highlight how it solves their specific pain points simply and clearly.
That's fantastic. Thank you so much for explaining that to me. I'll log off now and we'll talk to you again soon. Thanks. Bye-bye. Hi everyone, Gideon Cordover here from UpScale Solutions, helping your business scale up. Today I'd like to take you through a quick demonstration of some of the functionality of the custom software that we can build for you. This will give you the freedom and control to scale your business up. So I'm going to do a quick screen share today. And obviously the information that we're looking at here is just a demo environment, but we can customize this exactly for you and your needs. So here we are. I'll just jump into the staging environment, and you can see that even though it's our logo here, it will be your logo, your color palette, and all of the information on the navigation bar, and also in the main content area and inside the inspector panel on the right-hand side. This will obviously all be customized for you and what your needs are. So this just gives you a general indication of the kind of thing that we can build for you. So in this particular example, we've got our industries, organizations, our contacts, and our clients and opportunities. I can take you through all of this step by step, and also all of the agents that you'll see. We have this elicitation agent that we can talk about momentarily. But let's start, first of all, in any part of the CRM, and I'll just draw your attention in the bottom right-hand corner. You can see these three dots here. When you click on that, you can see Brain Chat and Brain Call, and here's where we can start to interact with the data that operates within our system. So we'll start with Brain Chat, and we can ask Brain Chat anything. Let's start by saying, how many timesheets do you have in the system? And all of the memos or the transcripts of these conversations are logged, and you can go back through them. So here it says there are 41 timesheets or time claims in the system, and you can see that chat there. And we could click on those and interrogate those. So here they are here. But also, if we needed to go back into this conversation that we just had, we could click down the bottom here where it says agents currently, and we can customize all this for you. And then you can go back through and actually have a chat. This was a chat message, so we can click here, and you can see there that you can actually download all of the information that was in that, so we can actually download all that information later on. So the cool bit is now, if you're on the go, if you're moving around, it's actually quite easy now to have a chat simply with your computer, with your system, and this is accessing all of the information that you have available inside your business brain. So let's have a chat to the Brain Chat. Let's make a Brain Chat call.
Hey there, Brain Chat speaking.
Hi there, it's Gideon here. My first question is, how many timesheets do you have in the system?
I'll just fetch the total number of timesheets in the system for you now. There are 41 timesheets in the system right now.
Great. And how many invoices are unpaid at the moment?
I'll just fetch the number of unpaid invoices from the system for you. There are 4 unpaid invoices in the system right now.
And when is the next invoice due?
I'll just check the system to find the due date of the next invoice. The next invoice due is for March 2025.
Fantastic. And can you answer very succinctly, how would you suggest that I explain the benefits and the features of using the Brain Chat system? What are some of the key advantages that you would discuss? Please keep your answer quite short.
Sure. Brain Chat offers fast, accurate answers, easy access to data, saves time, improves decision making, and supports seamless communication.
Great. And when you're trying to explain to potential clients why this system might advantage them, what advice would you have to give me to communicate that most effectively? Keep your answer quite short.
Sure. Focus on these key points. Brain Chat saves time with quick, accurate answers, improves decision making with real time data, is easy to use, and boosts productivity by automating info retrieval. To communicate effectively, highlight how it solves their specific pain points simply and clearly.
That's fantastic. Thank you so much for explaining that to me. I'll log off now and we'll talk to you again soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.
You're very welcome, Gideon. I'll log off now. Bye-bye and talk to you soon.
Well, there you have it. That's just one quick demonstration, and you could spend all day having a chat and learning more stuff about your business and delving in deep. It can provide really good insights. It can deal with unstructured data in a way that will totally evolutionize the way that you do business. But critically, you're not trying to fit a square into a circle or a circle into a square, because it's not off-the-shelf software that you need to adapt to. It's not a complex tech stack where you've got a whole bunch of different SaaS platforms that aren't really linking, they're not talking to each other. Instead, it's a universal holistic system which is totally interoperable. So we build the software around your business rather than you trying to have to fit into the off-the-shelf software. Have you ever felt like you're being held hostage by these legacy SaaS vendors where, as you try to scale up, all of a sudden, month by month, the costs are going up? Oh, we need 20 users now. Well, that'll cost this much. We use 50 users now. Now it'll cost this much. All of a sudden, for a long time, you're shackled. Whereas when we co-design this system with you, you own it. It's proprietary software that you get to own, which means that you can scale up with freedom and control. It's really important to know that at the moment in the knowledge economy, the majority of workers in the knowledge economy are using generative AI. And the majority of those people are not telling their employer how they're using it, when they're using it. And as a result, that creates a lot of vulnerabilities in terms of obviously cybersecurity and privacy. Not to mention, anytime that you've got a spreadsheet, whether you've got a Google sheet or an Excel spreadsheet that you have multiple users, well, that means that you're vulnerable to data inaccuracies. Somebody puts in the wrong information, or there's privacy issues and security issues there as well. So the advantage of having custom software that's designed for your business is that you can have that permissions-based access for administration, so that the right members of your team are seeing the right data and they're not able to access data that they shouldn't be accessing. So having that permissions-based system really increases your ability to access the data that you need when you want to, but also to limit or constrain the potential risks that are involved. If you're outgrowing your spreadsheets, if your software is out of support, if you've got old legacy software that isn't being updated regularly, then you're vulnerable. So it's important to have access to an expert, local guiding hand who can navigate you through this system. Step one is really give us a call, book in a free consult. We will chat about your operations, find out a bit about your business. And the next step is to do a discovery workshop with us. This is where we look at the digital strengths and the digital weaknesses of your business and provide you with a gap analysis. This is your digital evolution roadmap. And it gives you a business requirements document that lets you know basically a menu of options, and it lets you know where to go from there. You have options. You can choose whether to do a holus bolus revolution of your system, or just to attack the lowest hanging fruit, or maybe you don't want to do anything at all, but at least you know what your options are. Back in the day when websites first became popular, wouldn't it have been good to have an expert guided hand who could help you navigate through, here are the things that you'll find useful, here are the things that you don't need to worry about, and here's the way that you could leverage this new application to keep you agile in a new business landscape. This is the advantage that UpScale Solutions is offering. It's an education process. Step one is to have a chat with our business analysts. They're experts in their field and they're able to take you through exactly what you need to know, not just about how to develop your business to maximize productivity and efficiency, but also what are the governance requirements? How do you engage properly with this new digital landscape to keep your team and your information safe? That's something that we can offer is this education piece, which is really critically important, particularly as AI emerges. And we're really at the vanguard of that. It's an exciting future, but it's also a future that we need to enter into with caution, with safety, and with ethics. And that's an area where UpScale Solutions can really help your team. Thanks again for listening, and we look forward to having a chat to you soon. Give us a call today and book in your free consult. UpScale Solutions, helping your business scale up. We'll talk to you soon.